What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can find the Dark Marksman's plate boots in Crimson Desert. Much like the other Dark Marksman gear, this one also highlights speed. It provides 18 attack and 6 defense, with a level 1 movement speed buff. Its Abyss gears provide another level in movement speed and an extra 3 points in defense. You'll find these east of the Menace territory. The waypoint aligns vertically with the letter D of Dewhaven and O of Gorthak to the south. Its horizontal guideline sits directly below the label of the Golden Plains. Zoom in and it's in the basement of a place called the Forgotten Watchtower. When you're there, look for stairs that lead underground. Light up your lantern and watch out for falling debris. When you get to the bottom, you'll find yourself in a dead end. Look for this part of the wall with the square concrete to its face, and just simply force palm it. This wall will rotate and bring you to the next room, where you'll find the chest. Loot it and you've got your speed boots. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.